Here's a large pine, antique pine wardrobe we have for sale. So it's a double door wardrobe, 2 doors. And it's in nice condition, totally dismantles for delivery, so should go up any stairway. And it was originally painted and it's been stripped. And it's currently totally empty inside at the moment. So being quite tall, obviously we can put a rail in the top for you. If you prefer, maybe we could put a shelf near the top and the rail going underneath it. And the internal depth is 20 inches. So let me just close this one door up. So it has hanging space of 20 inches, which is nice and deep. Plenty of room for large coats and suits and things. The code number is T0505E. The price is 900 as it is. It'll be 997 if you'd like me to wax it for you. And both prices include the fitting of a new hanging rail. Shelf would be about 25 quid. The height 79 inches, the width at the widest point is 63, depth at the deepest point, which is at the top, 24, and the internal depth 20. And I can usually come and deliver these wardrobes and put them together for you, but let me know where you are and we can give you a quote for delivery as well.